Today we will be learning about weather. So, what do you think is weather? The condition of air, temperature, wind, air pressure, rainfall, and humidity in the atmosphere at a given place and time is called weather. To simplify, first look outside. What do you see? If I look outside from my window now, I see it is a warm sunny day. But I remember that just 2 days back it was so stormy in the evening that the branches of the trees were shaking violently and we had a power cut for several hours. Does this tell you something else about weather? Yes. Weather is variable. We can say that the weather for a place changes with time. For example, it may be a sunny morning, but from the evening it may start raining heavily. Weather is also variable with place, which means if it is snowing at Shimla in the same time, it may be a nice sunny day at Goa. Along with this, weather affects our food, clothing, and lifestyle. How? Think of a rainy day. In order to stay dry, people will carry umbrellas and wear raincoats. We experience several kinds of weather. Let us look through the following slides to know more about the basic kinds of weather. Sunny. When the sky is clear and the sun shines brightly, we can call it to be sunny. Cloudy. When the sky gets covered with clouds and nothing apart from those dense clouds is visible in the sky, it is said to be cloudy. Rainy. When the water vapor contained in the clouds becomes too heavy to be held, it condenses and falls down on the earth as rain, and such a weather is called rainy. Windy. When the air begins to blow at a much faster speed than normal, we can call it to be windy. Snowy. When snow falls down instead of raindrops because of high altitude or cold temperatures, we call it a snowy weather. Stormy. When lightning accompanied by thunder occurs, we call it to be a stormy weather. On a side note, weather we experience is actually more complicated to distinguish. For instance, about the stormy weather experienced 2 days back, it wasn't just thunder and lightning. Heavy rainfall and strong winds also occurred at the same time. Nevertheless, we can rightly say that weather is variable. But is weather unpredictable because of its variability? It was until recent times when meteorology advanced. What is meteorology? It is the scientific study of atmosphere and its phenomena, especially about weather and weather forecasting. Meteorologists prepare such weather forecast data for the upcoming 5 days or so, and we can estimate what kind of weather we are about to experience. In the picture, you would see a similar forecast for Amladehi area. Since we have discussed about weather, we may as well quickly look into seasons. The term season is used to describe general weather conditions of a specific region which takes an average period of 3 months. The coverage area of seasons is large while variable weather can be seen in different cities of the same state. Seasons repeat every year. For example, every March to May, we experience summer in India. We mainly experience 4 seasons in India: the hot dry season or summer, the rainy season, the season of retreating monsoon, and the cold season or winter. We can have a quick recap of what we have learned. Number 1, condition of atmosphere at a given place and time is called weather. It affects our lifestyle. Number 2, some types of weather experienced are sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy, snowy, and stormy. Number 3, meteorology is the scientific study of atmosphere and its phenomena, especially about weather and weather forecasting. Number 4, season is used to define the general weather conditions of a specific region for a certain length of time, average being 3 months. Number 5, India experiences 4 seasons: summer, monsoon, retreating monsoon, and winter.